Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a 6 treble crochet cluster today. A 6 treble crochet cluster. I have other cluster tutorials. This one is the 6 treble. Now here I've got some trebles. If you've never made a treble before, that's quite easy. It's one extra step from a double crochet. For a treble crochet we do 2 yarn overs. We pull up a loop in the designated space or stitch, whatever your pattern's asking you to do. It gives me 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time and do that 3 times. That's the second one and that's the third one. So because we do it 3 times, that's why it's a treble. Again, 2 yarn overs, that's if you're using US terminology anyway. UK terminology is different. US terminology, 2 yarn overs for a treble. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 once, twice and 3 times. So these are just standard treble crochet stitches. Now, how do we use them to make a treble crochet cluster? In this case, a 6 treble crochet cluster. So I just might move over a little bit so you can see more clearly. 2 yarn overs. I'm just going to move over to this stitch here. Pull up your first loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, but not 3. Don't do it 3 times. The clusters are comprised of incomplete stitches closed off at the same time at the end. So there's my first incomplete treble. Let's do it again. 2 yarn overs, pull up a loop, pull through 2 once and twice only. Don't finish. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook because I didn't finish this one and I didn't finish this one. Again, 2 yarn overs, pull up a loop, pull through 2 twice and stop. Can clearly see I've got 3 posts here of my 3 incomplete trebles. Keep going. The 4th one, pull through 2 twice. 2 yarn overs, the 5th one, pull through 2 twice. And the last one, 6. Pull through 2 twice. Now you will always have 1 extra loop in numbers compared to the number of posts you've got. So I've got 6 posts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I have 7 loops on my hook because I had that starting loop that was already on the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 incomplete trebles plus the starting loop, 7. To finish this cluster, yarn over and pull through all of your loops in the end like that. Now, depending on your pattern, what you do next, some patterns will tell you to do an extra chain just to keep them all together. Some do other things. I'm not going to tell you what to do next because I don't know what pattern you're working. Now, what you might notice, if you noticed it, is because there are so many posts, it does tend to want to bunch up or bobble up. Clusters that have usually more than 5 posts are often called bobbles, so that's the difference. This is a cluster, but once it starts to bubble on itself like this or bobble on itself, and you can see if you look at it from behind, it creates a little hollow because there's a lot of stitches all compressing together. Now your designer or your pattern is using this for a specific reason, so follow those instructions. Let me just make some room and do that all again. I'm just going to give myself a few chains and come over here. Let's start again. First incomplete treble, 2 yarn overs into wherever you're supposed to go, pull through 2 twice. 2 yarn overs, pick up your loop, pull through 2 twice. You do get a rhythm with these when when you've got a specific number that you have to do and you're doing a few of them. So don't panic. That's 4, 2 yarn overs, pull up a loop, pull through 2 twice only and stop. That's 5, last one. And there it is, 6 of them. Yarn over to finish, pull through everything all at once. Now I have seen these used as bobble stitches just like that, where they just give a nice bit of texture. I've also seen them used in a different way where, I'll just put a chain in there, where they come down and they will catch another, maybe catch back into a stitch and they create a beautiful little almost marshmallow puffball, if they're compressed down. So that depends on what your pattern is trying to do for you. Just follow your instructions, but that's how you make a treble crochet 6 treble crochet cluster. 6 incomplete trebles all closed off together at the end. They'll bobble up. It could, if you're depending on how you're working your stitch, it might stay flat, but once you get over 5 they rarely ever stay flat, but that's usually intentional by the designer. So there you go, 6 treble crochet cluster.